This is so pretty, everyone. Hilo going crazy. Big Mama Cafe.
奥の角のお席どうぞ。
I can only understand the menu here, like the picture.
The translation works.
He's using Google Translator.
I'm cheating.
You're cheating.
Because it takes me so long to read Japanese.
Cute.
Don't bark.
Don't bark. Ginger ale, my favorite. Refreshing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Clink. つかけて食べてください。
Big Mama Cafe. Big Mama pancake. It is chicken. I guess Hila will be really happy to have that.
Gonna have a good time.
Hilo, we're just ready. Hilo, did you like your meat? Should you get more?
Yeah.
Hilo, you can do a trick? What kind of trick you got? Yeah, perfect. High five.
Other paw. Other paw.
She said you didn't switch.
Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Stab it.
Oh, good girl. That's skills, girl. Happy. More? Very seasoned. You want to have a bite?
No, thank you.
Watch Mama eat. Nothing for you. Poor girl. Okay, ready? Another beautiful day. So this is the outdoor patio area. It's really beautiful out here. Got a Big Mama Cafe. Surf town. This is also a surf town, similar to our Hawaii. Oh, the food is so yummy. I love this cafe.
See the ocean?
Yeah, definitely. Let's see the ocean. Let's go see the ocean. Wow, we're on the water already. It is a surf town.
The sand is like really dark.
Oh, you just noticed? I just noticed. If you didn't tell me, I wouldn't look. This is the sand. Black sand. Maybe it's called Black Sand Beach. Wow, we're on the beach. Yay. Black Sand Beach. You can surf here if you want. You have a surfboard. Actually, our Airbnb have surfboard. Oh my god, this is so pretty, chat. This is so pretty, everyone. Hilo going crazy. I think Hilo miss Hawaii. He miss Hawaii, right? Hilo! No! This dog is so hyper. So fast. Keep walking. Wow, the sand is like shiny. Can you see? Hilo's so happy. Hilo's is from Hawaii actually. So she must have missed home. Are you okay? Oh my gosh. So many surfer out there in the sea. Very brave. It's actually a warmer today. Hilo got herself wet.
Huh?
She got herself wet.
I know.
Why did you do that?
I
girl?
told her the water's cold.
Now she
but-
she probably need a shower now.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go.
So happy it's Hilo's vacation right there.
I'm definitely gonna come back here again.
Yeah, she just run around. It's a perfect spot to walk, Hilo. Thank you. I was like, what is so stinky? It's her, Hilo. Just got into the front on her
She
own.
did that so quiet.
Alright guys, we just got back to our hotel. Peach just opened the door. This is the touch screen. Perfect. Alright, let's take a look at the house we're staying. The streamer house Peach just made for us for the weekend. It's a testing streamer house.
And you could get multiple units. So if there's more people, we could just get more units.
Yeah.
Right?
Even though we have 6 beds in one house, should be good for now.
6 beds in one house. That's a lot.
Right? There's 2 in my room, 2 in your room, and next door another 2 bed. It's called Deep Sea. She really into sea. That one called Colorful. Wow, beautiful.
Hilo, come on.
Hilo, come on.
Okay, you're gonna sit here.
Sit. Shower time.
Shower time.
She doesn't like shower?
No, she doesn't like it. She doesn't
Oh.
like being constricted.
Wow,
oh God, help me.
Come on, you stinky girl.
Thank you, girl.
Yeah.
All right.
Right, bye, Hilo.
Say bye.
Bye. Shower time. Get pretty. Have fun.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
So this is where I'm staying for tonight. So we have 2 guest rooms downstairs. This is one of them. It's 2 bed, and then you can get to the other room either from here or from this way. Pretty pretty. And I will stay here for the night. I like this one, have the balcony right next to it. Let's get the lights on over here. I think this is for the outside. Which one is the light? This one. Okay. Got light from here. I like this one because it's right next to the little balcony so I can see outside. Very cozy. I love this little girl time with my Peach. Think about the Airbnb is very pretty, right? So now I'm just gonna take off my jacket since we just got in here. It's kind of warm here. Peach is showering Hilo. It's very warm inside the apartment. Can hear the struggle. Oh, there's also like a blender or something. Ooh, you could close it like this. Look. this is another projector, maybe to separate the inside and outside. So this is its own area. And the apartment comes with a surfboard as well. It's really interesting. And there's security camera. And you go outside, you have to unlock this button to be outside. So it's really safe. Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Okay. Oh no! What's going on? Is she gonna come out?
What was that?
Is she gonna come out?
Yeah, she'll come out. I just have to wipe her down.
Okay. So, this is my bed. I'm staying here for the night. I picked this one because it's definitely really comfortable, first of all. And secondly, is there's that little balcony right there. So I can go outside whenever I want. Look. Beautiful view. And I'm going to take you guys outside. So easy, right? Good morning. So wooden floor. Kilo, the doggo just ran around earlier. Alright, so I'm gonna take a nap so we can have more fun later. I'm just gonna relax and take a nap here. So fun. I had so much fun with Peach today. Can't wait to have more fun with her. But now I'm gonna take a quick nap. So we're rested. And we're gonna grab a snack now before tonight's stream. Check out Proper Peach's stream on twitch.tv. Let's get to work. Carry your kid. Dog mama. Gotta get strong arm for dog mama. Aww. You out. What's the jumping? See?
Good girl.
Good girl. Yeah, this place is nice. So we took a small nap. We're just gonna get some snap now. I'm just being lazy right now. Nothing fancy. We're gonna go to ABC store or 7-Eleven. Get a snack before tonight's stream. Alright, we're checking out Sendo. This is a grocery store. Her Peach was to be cheaper than convenience store, so we're gonna pick up as much snacks as we want now. Go crazy! Because it's cheaper! We're in Sendo. I'm gonna get a basket together. Just for the night.
Japanese grocery store.
It looks like a Whole Food.
The bentos are usually in the back, so we'll go there.
This is Peach's favorite pudding, the classic one, okay? Like herself.
Ah! I love pudding!
Pudding addict. Little yogurt.
I love that Japanese. Oh, I want to see what.
Center. This one looks good.
Is potato salad?
Potato? Yeah.
Look, 20%!
Oh, 20%! Oh, we're so cheap.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, let's grab some. We're gonna share this one together. This is the biggest one. And 20% off. We are going to enjoy it.
Okay.
Yay, she got her coffee. Ready to go. Okay, miso soup. Yay, the miso soup in the cup.
This is tofu.
Mm.
Nameku? Oh, mushroom? Oh, I think this is
The egg and
I
tomato.
don't know that kanji.
I think it's egg and tomato. I got this one, the tofu one. Let's try it.
I'm gonna get this. I think it's mushroom miso soup, but I could be wrong, so we're just gonna find out.
We're gonna find out when we
It should
eat.
be good, right? It's miso soup.
Ooh, look at the sushi. Usually Japanese people drink miso soup first, right?
I'm not sure the order, but yeah, with every meal.
Depends on the family, I guess. Cheers.
I think there is a right way, but I have no idea.
For housemate, but alright.
Oh, nice.
What do you say? Itadakimasu?
Close. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Yeah, perfect, perfect.
Ohio. Good morning, everyone. I have to head to the train station because I have a hair appointment today in the city. So, Peach is gonna drive me to the train station. Hopefully, we can make it. It's really humid here. Look, it's like water. To the train station just in time, but this is not my train. I gotta wait for the express train can take me directly to Tokyo City. This train is cheaper, but it takes me to Chiba first, and then I gotta transfer. But you know, as a foreigner, it's a lot easier to not to transfer, right? So bye bye train. I'll wait for the next one. It's about 10 more minutes, but supposedly we get to Tokyo faster than we take this train, make transfer from Chiba. So I am a little cold. I'm gonna get this one over here, 140, and I got it. Yeah, of course I paid first. I just forgot to film. It's so warm. Oh my gosh. It's chilly now in November, but this is so warm. I love it. Keep me warm. Apparently this town is like a surf town. So they even have the surfboard right over there. To the city, and I'm getting my hair cut down near Shibuya. Do you like my new haircut? I cut the band at the front. I think it's perfect for winter in Tokyo. On my way back, I also checked out the local market. It's the weekend. Happy weekend. Everybody's enjoying the beautiful day. Next episode, we are going to meet up in Kobe and do a road trip.
Has to be with cat.
Don't miss out. Follow for more.